Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse payment on FNB app, right? So this is possible on both laptop and PC, or I mean in the phone or smartphone too, right? So just go to Google, right, or any of the browser and make sure you just type this reverse payment on FNB app, right? And just click on Google search. Once you do it, you will get this first link, payment reversal. Sometimes you will get in the second or third, right? So make sure you, this is of course FNB official website. So I'll just click on this, right? And let's wait for the loading, right? And sometimes it's take time. Yeah, and once hit here, it will show in this. So you can just read these instructions, the conditions, and for contact details and everything, right? And maybe some most of the people do want to have a reversal payment because they had a fraud with someone, right? So you can just read this information and everything. Now once you read this, just go to click on reversal document. Once you click on this, you will be redirected to a new page, and basically this is every detail, and you will get a form. So you need to fill up the whole form by yourself. Once you fill up the whole form, make sure you just go and submit the form into the bank, right, into the FNB, First National Bank, right? So make sure you just do it, and the manager will help you with it, right? And they will just give you a particular time period. In this time period you will have your payment back to your account. So this is the only way to reverse your payment on FNB. If you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.